Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon popsicle called Popsicle Man. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the top of the popsicle. So we're going to start with a curve. Starting from the left, we're going to curve up and then down on the right side. Now from either end, I just want to curve this out and then down towards the sides. I'm going to go out and then down. Now we're going to bump out the side. Starting on the left, we're going to curve this out towards the left and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's go straight down the sides. Starting on the left, we're going to go straight down towards the bottom. Go to the right and do the same thing. I want to make sure that we come down to the same height. Now we're going to add 4 little curves along the bottom. So starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then up. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. We're going to curve down and then up. Let's add 2 more coming up towards the center. So on the left, we're going to curve down and then up in the middle and do 1 more over on the right side. Now directly above the outside point, we're going to step up and draw 2 small circles for the eyes. So starting on the left, we'll add 1 circle. Now over on this point, we're going to step up and just line this up and draw another circle. Now at the top of each eye, I want to add a small circle just up against the edge of the eye for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now right in the center, we're going to step up and draw in the mouth. So we're going to draw a U shape. Starting from the left, we'll curve down and then back up on the right. Now we just want to separate out the sections of the popsicle. So we're going to take these 4 curves and draw them just above the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side, curve down. We want to make sure we line up the top of this line to the bottom point. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Curve down and then up. Now let's add 2 more curves. Starting on the left, curve down, then up in the middle. And do that 1 more time on the right. Now let's do that 1 more time along the top. So up here, curve down, and then up. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Curving down, and then up. Let's draw 2 more. Starting on the left, we'll curve down and up in the middle. Do that 1 more time on the right. Let's go to the bottom and add the stick. So in the center, we're going to leave a gap. Over on the left side, we're going to draw 1 straight line coming down towards the bottom of the stick. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to connect the bottom with a half circle. Starting on the left, we'll curve down and then back up. Now let's give this character some arms. So from the bottom corner of the popsicle, we're going to step up. We're going to curve out and then down towards the wrist. We're going to line this up on the right, curve out and then down. Now back over to the left side, we're going to start with a thumb. We'll start with a small half circle. And at the end of the thumb, we'll draw a small bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, curve down and up around that bracket. Now we're going to add 2 more fingers. We're going to step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to curve around and then pull that in towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Starting with the thumb, then adding that bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll curve down and up around that bracket. Step down, we'll curve up the second finger. And then the third finger, we're just going to pull that up in towards the wrist. Now let's draw on the outside of the arm. From the wrist, we're going to follow that same curve on the inside of the arm, going up and then in behind the body. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add the edge of the glove. About halfway down the arm, we're going to start on the outside, we're going to curve up and then down. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now the last thing we're going to do is add a little drip on the left side. So we start at the bottom of the drip, we're going to draw a small half circle going around. Now from the left side, we're going to angle up and in towards the center. Angle down towards the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Popsicle Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.